Hey everyone! If you run a local business, restaurant, salon, or repair shop, your Google Business Profile can be your #1 marketing tool. Here's how to optimize it to attract more local customers. Step 1. Claim and verify your business. Go to google.com/business, claim your listing, and verify it by phone or postcard. Without verification, Google won't show your business properly. Step 2. Add complete business info. Use the exact name, address, and phone number everywhere: your website, Facebook, and directories. Add your website link, business hours, and accurate service areas. Step 3. Choose the right categories. Pick a primary category that best fits your business, like coffee shop, and add secondary categories for other services. Step 4. Add high-quality photos and videos. Upload real photos, your storefront, products, staff, and customers. Businesses with photos get 2 times more clicks and more calls. Step 5. Post regular updates. Use the posts feature to share offers, events, or new products weekly. Active profiles appear more often in local search results. Step 6. Collect and respond to reviews. Ask happy customers to leave reviews and reply to every one, even negative ones. Reviews build trust and improve ranking. Step 7. Use keywords in description. Write a short, natural description like, "We're a family-run bakery in Rome offering fresh pastries and cakes daily." This helps Google understand what you offer and where. Follow these steps and your business will start getting more local visibility, calls, and foot traffic.